What do cowboys do in the face of our generation's greatest challenge? They rise with unbendable optimism and unshakable determination. Using your cowboy spirit, you'll finish this semester strong. From your homes across the country and around the world, your inspired creativity and epic innovation will make a difference, not just for your education, but for all global citizens. Cowboys just like you are 3D printing medical masks, using research skills to help with COVID-19 testing, leading free online classes in their communities, and so much more. That's what cowboys do when we face a crisis. We harness our relentless curiosity and unwavering integrity to overcome any obstacle. We dig deep, because it's not what you are that makes you a cowboy, it's who you are. Now, more than ever, the world needs more cowboys.